Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just wanted to give you a little fill in of what's going on. You know, I'm still working. Finally got the approval on this vehicle, and gonna be pushing this rail. Well, be pushing that rail up there, or yeah, glue pulling that rail up there. And I'm just working on the sides. I needed some encouragement, so I finished up some sides here. Did these. I still got to get back here. The access to this is quite challenging, along with the roof access, but done the sides, working my way this way, and I've been on the other side working too. So, man, I got so much material to send you guys. Sorry about that. Got so much material to send you, but I cannot because I'm just grinding right now, man. This car is pretty hit, and I got to get to it and keep working. So I just want to give you a little update on what I'm doing. This one's going to be a big challenge, and I'm going to be able to, I think this one will look really good on my resume for sure. So I'm going to check back with you guys in the progress of this one, and I'll see you later.